Hello everyone. Welcome to Creative Digital Hacks. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn a plain white dress into a vibrant floral outfit using Photoshop. Let's get started. Step 1. Selection. Use the Quick Selection tool to carefully select the white dress area. Step 2. Duplicate layers. Press Ctrl+J twice to duplicate the selection into 2 new layers. Step 3. Prep displacement map. On the top copy, press Ctrl+L to adjust levels. Then Ctrl+Shift+U to desaturate. Apply Gaussian blur radius 1.5 to 3. Then save it as a PSD file. Delete this layer after saving. Step 4. Add fabric. Select Layer 1 file, place Embedded, choose your fabric image and align it. Lower opacity if needed. Step 5. Clipping mask. Right-click on the fabric layer, create clipping mask. Step 6. Displace effect. Go to Filter Distort Displace, 10 to 15. Select your saved PSD map. Step 7. Final touch. Set the fabric layer's blend mode to multiply, and adjust the blending sliders for a natural look. That's it. Your dress just bloomed beautifully with Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more tutorials.